Wagatano mwaka wa 2023 inkugwata ugeni ntisoni cia Weru Thaa Mugwanja mutegeri betagwa Christine Wanjeru. Tukiambiriria ntisoni cietu ciezwa ukaria wa ndani na uthani matura tawe kithure kindiki na kinyite muciko mututigi George Kaliunga uria ari MCA ni kenda kubwariria na muci wa Wenkuruki na riritie ukaria na mbithukiro cia maitha iria cionekanite ntere ino cia Egembe North. Kindiki augite na karugi muno gikosi kia borisi kia kurwa na athukangia ni kuretwa ntere ino nikenda gutigira thina ino iri guntu gukuitonekana akairi na Nkuruki na ugite thina iria iri bogatagati Katharaka na nkinyagia Meru ni batiri kwithirwa ikithirwa orio ni bara orite county commissioner ma county ino cio ciiri kwithirwa magikarande na kwariria mitaratara iria makethirwa magikira nikenda kuthiria nkusanio ino cithiritwe iribo na mamunenkereri riboti muthenya wa ruyu tombiri na inu
kama vile tumedhibiti shida ya wahalifu na wezi wa ng'ombe katika sehemu ya bonde la Ufa. Ninataka itangaze operation maalum ya kukabiliana na wezi wa ng'ombe ambao na wezi wa mifugo ambao wanatatiza watu katika sehemu hii ya Meru, sana sana Meru kaskazini. This area is now essentially a security operation area. I am directing an anti-stop theft unit be established as requested by the community leading sio ni wana kubwa sana. Wote wana. County Commissioner Wanandonga, tafuta County Commissioner wa Tharaka Nithi, the two county security team to sit today, not tomorrow. Nataka kesho uniambie program ile uko nayo ya kumaliza shida baina ya Meru na Tharaka Nithi hapa watu wetu wa nchi kwa amani, hatutaki kusumbuana. Sisi ni majirani, sisi ni jamii moja, hatutaki tuwe tunasumbuana hapa.
Kiama ya Kenya Kwanza ni maugite ni takangwataniro ya Azimio ikuyukiria muntu megie rwaria rwangwataniro na mathe na kwithirwa magituma mpathu cia menekithia mama kuonekana na nkinyagia gukua mia rwaria rurubururu.
Inamaanisha kwamba
then we can hear from Honorable Aika.
Kama hilo unaifanya iwe mzaha.
Imeeleweka.
So the discussed is over conflicting.
We actually just sent to them an invitation letter for today so that we can have a meeting between ourselves, the leaders, the chairpersons, the co-chairpersons, and the leadership of the House. I did receive a letter from the Honorable Tiende Amolo in which he said he had reservations regarding certain matters and that in fact they were not going to honor the invitation today, but we haven't given up. But if they insist that they will be demonstrating as we talk, then it defeats the purpose. Absolutely defeats the purpose as far as we are concerned, because these talks were called for because of the ongoing demonstrations that were in the streets.
And as a committee, we want to insist that if it's talks, yes, come, let's talk. But you cannot take advantage of hopeless, jobless young people to destroy people's property and at the same time demand that you be incorporated in one process or another.
Whether they like it or not, they can go for demos today, go next week, go every week. But what will bring sanity and an end to the difference between the two sides is not demos, It will be talks. Even the First World War, the Second World War, were ended not by the atomic bombs, but by the talks.
And as a matter of fact, the 10-point letter that they issued the other day in their statement has kept on mutating. We have dealt with some of the issues, and we have committed in our prayer today that we are still committed to bend beyond for the interest of peace, for the interest of this country, and for the interest of coming together as one.
Kenya ni kubwa kushinda kila mmoja wetu, na kama Wakenya ni lazima tujitolee, kwa sababu mwisho wa siku ni mazungumzo tu ambayo yataleta suluhu. Ni mazungumzo tu, hata waandamane siku ngapi, miaka mingapi, lazima watu waketi wazungumze.
We have suspended the talks because the inclusion of the Honorable Kainan goes to the principles of the very things we are supposed to discuss. For us as a team, as long as they confirm to us that the Honorable Kainan has been withdrawn, we will resume the talks immediately. The question of demonstration is a different question. It's not on the table for us. That is a matter that is to be discussed at the level of the principle and the constitution and other things. And you cannot say that you have an issue of somebody participating in a process, and then when a particular issue comes in, then they recuse themselves. That's like saying you have an objection to a judge, but you will be excusing the judge on other things except on a particular issue. It doesn't work that way. Either you accept the body as composed or you reject it.
Muthenya umuthi nirio akiama na agwati mbaru mangwataniro ya Azimio marabangirite kurutha maandamano kana gucoka maandamanoni. Indi kirauko kia umuthi ni monekanite makithie maguru imwe kwa imwe mwanka obisini ya rais mena barua makiugaga ni mendekithia maria mamubiririte ni kenda amathikiria nkurukini maugite mena barua cingi imakwirigira kubira kiri rwangi rwa IBC na kinyagia rwangi rwa kigina kana treasury.
For the IBC, you can see and then for treasury. We are very law-abiding citizens. Ini barua bro, ini barua wanaenda kitu hapa. Ini wabunge yote. Ini barua baba. Ini barua tu haina shida.
Katiba ya Uganda tumia Kenya.
No weapons, no weapons.
Sorry bro. Mingi sana bro. Sorry. Are we live? Are we live? Huh?
Mutongoria wa kia maendeleo chapter wa Fred Mutua na kuendekithia mutongoria wa Azimio Raila Odinga ekirwe mbengu ni kubanga maandamano mamethirite makithukangia biashara cia Akenya. Arite mama ari mucemanio wa NEC Nteresia Machakos na we mubunge wa Machakos Caleb Mure na ugitekethirwa Azimio matikwenda gwikarandina methero makiariria ngwataniro marienda maandamano mabatire kwithirwa makiyukirwa itagaria yake wado.
Na tunajua kwamba hapa Ukambani ni mtu mmoja tu ndio huenda kwa hiyo maandamano ambaye tumeona hapo Kalonzo Musyoka, lakini watu wote kutoka hapa Ukambani na viongozi wengine wote kutoka hapa Ukambani, hata wale wako kwa Azimio, wamekataa, wamesema huu sio wakati wa maandamano. Na tungependa kusema kwamba Mheshimiwa Rais Ruto apewe muda, manake hata hajachukua muda wa mwaka moja akiwa katika uongozi. Apewe muda ili aweze kuongoza Kenya, na nafikiria baada ya mwaka moja, mwaka mbili, yale matatizo tuko nayo hapa ya uchumi atakuwa amerekebisha.
The demonstrations are being done in exercise of the right to picket under the constitution. And the Azimio coalition is forgetting that the same constitution provides that election disputes in relation to presidential elections are to be handled by the Supreme Court and its decision shall be final. Already that was done. There was a dispute. It was taken to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court handled all those issues, even issues touching on servers. And when it determined that that should be final, and
hata ukikanyaga kunoka banini utikathino ako ningucoka na Nteto Nkoroki.
Life ni hard, but usitense, jipatie raha na Go TV.
I just want to go home.
Furahia local shows kibao virahisi na Go TV. Furahia movies na series motomoto za majuu, ujienjoy kabisa. Furahia makatoons na content noma ya kubambisha life ya wajunia. Furahia matimu zako za La Liga, Serie A na ligi zingine mob. Upgrade to Go TV Super leo ili ufurahie more than 70 quality channels kwa bei poa. Go TV, love it.
Uraigwa nkumu ya mubango jothi Kenya Airlift Program ni mubango jurajo gutetheria aritoba Kenya kuthomera ndigiri mwanya cia masters nthigurune ya Amerika. Kuigwatira kanya gaka no mwanka withiro uri na grade ya B plane gwitia kiri KCSE na second class honors kiri degree ya university. Guchiandikithia riongera mutandao wetu jwa www.kenyaairliftprogram.com. Ofisi chetu iri Royal Business Park 4th floor Njorincheke Street, Meru Town. Turinge thimu gukurukira 0703 509 493. The Kenya Airlift Program, empowering Kenyan students. Yetu sako iri na nkuma enjaga kiri aritani aritingo gibonza bathirikari na kinya kambunira turi na MOU nabo ya gutigira ba kugarura utoro bwa gukurukira super mapato loan. Kuma enjaga ni ati utetwa garanta, utetwa shares na no uri runuru na miaka 8 na interest ya 1% reducing balance. Kuona utungata bwa super mapato loan kana bunge turiongera branch yetu irere akwe nagwe kana waranire na tugukurukira namba yetu edimu 07111038000 kana info@yetusako.co.ke kana www.yetusako.co.ke. Yetu Sako, your success, our pride.
Hey kids, burudika na Star Times. We have lots of exciting shows to brighten up your world.
Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain! I can't hear you! Aye, aye, Captain!
Enjoy SD Kids, Jim Jam, Baby TV, Toonami, Da Vinci, and the all-new Cartoon Channel. Recharge your monthly subscription today and get upgraded to the next higher bouquet to enjoy more cartoons for both big and little kids with all your favorite cartoon friends.
Wow, that's amazing!
On the road, link your decoder to the Star Times On app to make sure you enjoy your favorite cartoons on Star Times On. Recharge your monthly subscription today and get upgraded to the next higher bouquet to watch fantastic channels and so many fun shows. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
No kwenda gukinya kuraja gukiria ngugi yaku na kuigwatira uritani bwa mwanya bwa ngugi yaku aja Embu College turi kwa uritani bwa guru bwa gukugwatana na twanya twa ngugi tura turio kwa miaka 28 ni tumbene ja tongeria iwandene kana industrial leaders kiri ICT, cosmetology, engineering, hospitality, business na accounting. Nkuruki ni tumbithitie gwikiro thombi kwa arito 20. Embu College ni tukuragia na gukiria ieo mwanya gukurukira gukenera unturio bondorijo mwanya. Chiandikithie, uthome na ugwate uritani bo mwanya kuma kiritui. Ujukania bome ni bwitete na mbere. Embu College, skills to go places. Soil acidity ikarikarira muthetu jwa kujwathiriro ni regu na gutonywa ni acid. Rira muthetu jutonyaga acid ni jothiragia regu ya gitumi ni jwenika uthondeki bobya kurakira imera ngugi ya gitumi ya muthetu ya nitrogen fixation ni ringeka na muthetu ijithira juru gwatine bothine ya soil erosion. Murimi tumira fomi fertilizers kire urimi bwaku kenda kuthiria thina soil acidity kenda kuingia maketha jaku. Ntumirie ji ureteri ni fomi fertilizers kuma kwa Itracom fertilizers. Form ni fomi fertilizers.
Oringi nkugwate ogin tukithina mbere muthinjiri na kiroria kigice kiene muno ta Major One kuma taunini ya Nkobona uria ruthaga ciama ne umiritie gutetera Mugwanja Ezekiel ni nyuma yawe gwikirwa mpina kiringithanagua na ikuo kanithani yawe. Major One ariuga Ezekiel gutina mabitia ari na munakogu otueria kana ushunkwoni baterie kuthie na mbere arekeretwe na nkurukina ugite Ezekiel ni tamuruangina wawe ki Obunjia mathomete na we kuma kiri pastor watene Pius Moiro ni tabumo tukikare agutoira
Ezekiel aachiliwe. Sababu Ezekiel ana makosa. Evangelist Ezekiel ana makosa. Anawekelewa mambo ambayo sio yake. Mambo ambayo ilifanyika ya watu huko Zakaora sijui wapi. Ezekiel hayuko pamoja na hiyo mambo. Anamsema nini? Unasema nini? Aachiliwe.
Ni migambo ya kiroria Major One kuma taunini ya Nkobo mwene kanisa ya Professor Dairy Ministry wamwe na thingati bawe bagishumiria gutetera mutumiri Ezekiel ura withirite akirigirwa ni polisi kenda kuthujwa mantu kuma na ntetera chitite na mbere ukujirwa Zakaora. Major One akiuga mutumiri Ezekiel ni mutanongi na gikirundu ukurukire the wa Bishop Pius Moiro akiuga ura kumenya mutanongi na na wiya kinyaburiku na nande akiromba achokwa kotini ntuko ya rojo arekerwete nambe na ngugi yawe yotumiria
muntu awetwa Mr. Mackenzie ataikwa kotini kumara gwatwa ende Ezekiel ogetwe rwero kwo nenda kugwatereke thirikari tafadhali bamurekeri Ezekiel ibasunguse mantu barekete Ezekiel no nto evangelist Ezekiel nyakanise ibara ingere na baruga akalandena mwanka arekerwe tweterete ntuketiuse ndare kijere eshokwa kotini twaromba tafadhali nase narekerwe Ezekiel atena meya Ezekiel ngogigo tethia antu ngogigo ikeria antu injiri na aro ndigwese na kete sukuru ni ana bantu akothomithia ni ana bantu agotethia ende ndoria roire muntu ngayamo okeria ithena
uruki Major One agita na mbere gutetera mutumiria uju Ezekiel
nantu bakuga Ezekiel atikwe na mere ya jukagwa kwawe ege hata kuthi kwa Zakaora onde mukojikire Ezekiel gotemwele juata Zakaora antu bara bakuta kanisa ya Ezekiel ibara bareta obengine mtu areta kuromberwa kyoria gyako igento kemwake mundu atota sibitari akitirita agakua mundu atio wamba thumu agakua nene keto me Ezekiel yako ndero rongo ati anto bare kuwa gitothikwa Zakaora ote thirikari karano sibo bano ina bare polisi bano ina bare OCS ina ale ndisia ina ale Ezekiel ote manto ena jo ndo ego na tubakuwa tikanisa hayo jo ni makaburi atitio rongo kwa na kaburi zile kwa Ezekiel lakini kaburi la sieno ndi muona ndona metho yakwa kaburi la sieno ni Ezekiel akwenderwa munda enderwa ni atwa mijikenda ibo balegere na cemetery yao bogwa yabibaga bakandika gambio anto kwa vina Ezekiel na thina otede na Ezekiel nayo
na muthiene kiri Major One ugito mutumiria gwatwo na maitia bati ukamata mutharaba jwawe na mantu jau jate bati wikirwa siasa kinya kanini
Major One wagwatwo na meya na thitangwe Major One totiga kuongera mantu jange na totiga gotonya ndare siasa kere mantu jege ni ngai yegane ne kumuromba president wetu ito athurira thirikari kirete mwathani na twamuthura twe kanisa kwa hivyo na ategere mantu ya Ezekiel na mboe sana akarekeria Ezekiel akarandene TV Ezekiel rugorwe kanisa rugorwe na meshemanyo yendere
umataunine ya Nkobo gicigo mbunge kia Southiment nkiripotera Nteto cia Weru rekwa rietwa ni Mutugi Kare
Ukionekana kwina nkusanio gatagati ka gavana wa kaunti ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza na seneta wa kaunti ya Meru Kadhuri Murungi riu MCA wa Rwiri Rwarera Toe Felix Kithinji na umirite kwareria ngwataniro gatagati ka mama mairi ariuria seneta gucwira maendeleo nkuruki kaunti ya Meru kuma thirikari-ini inene indi hatikethirwe akienda muno kwithirwo kwina ngaukano thaa ino.
Mondi mpathucia kisiasa citite na mbere ukwirwa ati gavana wa Meru Faith Kawira Mwangaza na seneta wa Meru Kadhuri Murungi na atongoria mwanya baishumiria kwariria mpathuiru kinyawe MCA wa Rwiri Rwarera Felix Kithinji ntu na ukiririte bu kinyawe akimeneria Kadhuri ni onto bo kuria mpathui kaunti ne yinkulukia udutira mwingi kuma thirikari nene.
Seneta Kadhuri Murungi itwa kuthurira we seneta na tota kuthurira we seneta uija kureta mantu ja opposition Meru ogwe tika kwenda gutwika Raila o Meru twakuthurire we seneta uita gututetera mbeca cia Meru inkwenda runga mawira Meru kuma kuthurwa imbeca ingano teterete cia Meru itukwenda kuona mbeca iro teterete cia Meru ogwe kiongo gyaku kikwirite wambie kusumbura Kawira kenda tukwagite kia gavana kankwira ogwe Kawithuri Murungi nguge seneti utira hora mita tumiona na metho kendo thukani mantu ja gavana batwe twina Kawira Mwangaza miaka 10 na tuligwa Kawira Mwangaza iteni bila break
bungi ntuukire buko nikigina kia thirikari kira kibatu kinya county na Meru kuma kiri thirikari nene kiutatana we bwa seneta uyu Kadhuri
Rwa Kadhuri kara seneti na uturombere mbeca cie Meru tika kwa area Meru ubera mbeca cie Meru in billion 15 mbeca cie Meru in billion 9 na ngiri 500 iwingie tukojuririe na kuodhurania na ja revenue chikeja chumita ki revenue bondi yeto Meru kwa Ukadhuri tafadhali ingo koromba kila ki rete gitare oreja na kiboga mauta aje to koromba uja kiboga roje orie monchi endo tujue Meru batu tuteko gwitaji Meru thaiji to gwitaji wethero Nairobi nara utatere mbeca chieje naja nikenda tumba gwita ngugi
kuluki
utemwonyo Kadhuri na Raila nungi ukuromba ethero na shando cabinet Kadhuri no romba ethero na shando cabinet na barete itureguro bararete taibara baringie tuma muno tutebakira we are prepared kupambana nabo na tubere Kawira tokuma kuibo Kawira turenda itira Meru ngugi batu tukabachoka iria batu tukachokeria ntubau no tutetekeria mbeca cia mwena nchi kawaida chethuru Kenya ngao kuandika shando cabinet onto chethurire ja guchwira anto ndawa chethurire ja gwakira ana irasi chethurire ja kuthithia barabara ka kunja ndoji icha kuandika anto bagita shando cabinet
na bwa muthia kiri antu bawe Rwiri Rwarera kiribuko ne kuthiria thineru entero uyu kuma kiri murani yura yuwita na mbere yu thirikari yu ankulukia milioni 30
project eroje rwa kadita taiji yukinya 43% na inkwenda kwashwira akariba ko Rwiri Rwarera mbere Aura tugire agenda yetu Rwiri Rwarera number 1 roje 2 roje 3 roje bera dina support na muno kuma gavana wetu Kawira Mwangaza gavana ora wina nkoro egutethia antu nora uchitaniritie nikenda Rwiri Rwarera rutwika kanani so inkwenda kubwira akariba Rwiri Rwarera ithiro nibo na imani ati Kawira Mwangaza imurungo mutumete nikenda Meru County onde garuruka
nkiripotera Weru TV kuma Buri mbita wake uvi